here is your first look at the Yeezy Foam Runner in the sand colourway. It looks just like the old one. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a very exciting unboxing for you. But before we get into this video, I'd like to actually address a comment. So I got this comment on my last video. The hairdressers are shut in the UK, can't do anything about it, so sorted out the hat today, so hopefully you don't slag me off too much. Also, I'd like to give a big shout out to Rnnr, who are today's sponsor of the video. Rnnr is the standard for sneaker authentication and is the safest place to get your sneakers authenticated. So here we have the latest Yeezy to release, and yes, once again, the streak continues. I managed to get these off the Adidas Confirmed app. Absolutely no idea how I keep winning. Getting incredibly lucky, but here we are. So, the box is a little different to what I'm used to. It's just a brown cardboard box. There's no branding on it whatsoever. I got these in a size 9. I have actually already tried them on. Here's a photo of them here. And for me personally, they fit true to size and oh my god, they are comfy. So we'll open them up and take a look at the shoes because we don't really want to look at a cardboard box for the rest of the day. So it opens up with a kind of new mechanism, don't really know how to suggest that, just a normal lid I guess. On the inside it does say foam on the inside of the lid. It's kind of like the box is reversed. The shoes, sandals, whatever you want to call them, are covered in the paper. You open it up and here is your first look at the Yeezy Foam Runner in the sand colourway. It looks just like the old one. So we'll take out the shoes, and on the inside of the box it actually has Rnnr branding as well, and has what is usually the size label on the side of the box on the bottom of the inside. So there is a difference there. Don't know why they've done this. Would have looked better on the outside in my opinion, but it's quite a unique touch. The colour code is FY4567 and the colour description I guess is sand, sand, sand. So there's no abbreviation of the sand text, mainly because it's 4 letters. And once again, I got it in a size UK 9, but what's different to these than other Yeezys is the US size is also a 9, so it looks like the sizing is true to size on both ones. It isn't a difference between US and UK like there usually is. So we'll package up the paper and get into the shoes. So here we have the Yeezy Foam Runner in the sand colourway, and like I said earlier, it looks just like the old one. I think it was called the Rnnr or something like that. And the colour is very, very similar, but that is what Yeezy does. He brings out very similar colourways all the time. In my personal opinion, I would have preferred the moon grey ones, which are a full grey with almost like a speckled cream marbleization on the sides. And I just think they look way cooler. But when I got these in hand, I can't really lie, I really do like them. Didn't like them in photos or anything like that, but on feet, that aerial view, which I've shown in the photo earlier, is so nice, and they are incredibly comfy. Like I said, they fit true to size. For me personally, they were really easy to slip on. Just opened it wide, slipped straight in. Oh, that sounds so stupid. Obviously you do with those. Don't know why I just said it like that. That sounds terrible, but yeah, put it on my foot. Fitted perfectly and was incredibly comfy, like I said. Although there's no insole on the inside, the bottom of it and the heel is completely ridged, so it almost massages your feet as you walk, and it is the perfect house shoe in my opinion. The reason I haven't taken the label off is because the price is so high, and for what is basically a really cheap sandal or a croc, £250 or whatever the resale is right now, put it up here. Whatever it's going for, that's really hard to turn down for something that I think they're going to mass produce this year. We do already know they are coming out with a navy colour, which actually has like marbleized grey on the back again. Can't really turn down that profit margin, so I probably will be selling these at some point, even though I absolutely love them. However, don't hate me if on my Instagram I start wearing them and I completely contradict myself like usual. So the pattern is incredibly weird. In terms of Adidas branding, there really isn't much. I guess there are slight 3-stripe patterns on the side And on the sole, right at the bottom part here, there is a small Adidas logo there as well. And I have actually noticed on most of the fakes, the Adidas branding is actually missing. So that is something to note, and I probably will be doing a comparison of these at some point, so stay tuned for that. Let me know down below in the comments, did you pick up a pair of these? Do you like them? Have you worn them yet? Are you gonna wear them? It's so tempting just because I know how comfy they are. In person, these aren't hard at all. It really is a soft, cushiony feel. Obviously, it's not the same as what Boost is, but I'm telling you, if you manage to pick these up from retail, you are very lucky indeed, because I know a few of my friends are wanting to pick these up for the resale price just because of how comfy they are. And I think I've said comfy about 100 times in this video, but you get the point. Another weird thing to note is the size label does come stuck to the bottom of the inside of the shoe, and the sticker comes off super easily. Like, you can barely even stick it to the sole. So I'm not really too sure why they went with this plan. They could have easily just left it with this. Not sure why they needed the sticker as well, because it basically comes off as soon as you touch it. So that is something to note. But yeah, this was just a short review of the Yeezy Foam Runner in the sand colorway, and I will put them on feet for you so you can check them out. In my opinion, they just look so good on feet, but in hand, not very nice. On feet, so much nicer. But thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day, and please subscribe, like, do all that stuff. And yeah, thank you for supporting. To me, they do look a little bit like, to me, oh, there's a train. There's a train going past. Opened it wide and slipped straight in. That sounds so dumb.